Hey everybody, I'm Inisma, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a vlog of our little trip to the little watercolor exhibit. A brush with a passion. I went there yesterday, but I really rushed this editing of this video to put it together because the exhibition is still ongoing. It is until 21st April, so I do hope you guys check it out because that place is awesome and always supporting local artists is amazing. I bought this book and you can see all the lovely artists you get to meet, all the artists, and you get to see their lovely beautiful paintings. So I do hope that you go check it out. It's currently being held at Lot 18 Art Gallery, which is very near Pasasani LRT station, so you can also go there through public transportation. If not, then there is a parking lot right in front of the building, so it's quite simple in terms of logistics, and I hope that you go check them out. But if you can't, I understand. That's the purpose of this vlog, and I also help share all the links down below in the video description to their Instagram pages. And I hope that you enjoy this little vlog. I do apologize for the quality. I mean, I use my phone. I don't really have a vlog setup. Equipment problems. So I tried my best. I hope in terms of linking everybody, I hope everything is fine. I did my best, and I hope that you guys enjoy. So yes, without further ado, let's carry on. So we're going to Dark Fox's place, and before we do, I just wanted to show you guys. Look at Kobe. She heard a cat all the way. Hey guys, so now we are gonna drive and meet up with Dark Fox before we go to the exhibition. So we are here looking for parking. Parking. Look at all this.
That's not parking.
Yeah, I know. Just taking videos.
You know what I'm saying? I just realized that's not parking.
Oh, okay.
It's like a junkyard.
Yeah, it looks like. So we are here. We just found parking. And this is KL. Welcome. Welcome to KL. Look at all the cars. As far as the eye can see. We don't exactly know where. Oh my god, I see a stationery store and calligraphy. It should be somewhere around here, that's all we know. We have to go look around. We are so lucky. I think we got the last
Cheap.
last parking?
Cheap.
Last cheap parking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're guessing it's this area.
I mean, it is. It's not art gallery.
Art gallery, but in the front says like chocolate. We have to like go like around the back alley to find out. Alright, let's go, I guess. I guess we have to go upstairs. Oh, it looks so pretty though. Ah, there you go. How do we go up? Okay. We are here a tad early. Now it's 10:30 a.m. So now we're, I don't know, looking for food to eat. Okay, we decided to dine in Lakin Kopitiam. Kopitiam is just basically like a very Malaysian traditional cafe, nothing fancy. So we just made our order online.
You like to check?
So we're having typical Kopitiam breakfast. This is a very typical Kopitiam cup in a teacup. I'm having teh tarik, which is like a milk tea. Dark Fox is having Milo, which is like a chocolate malt drink. And we're having toast with butter and kaya. It's also very typical for a Kopitiam thing and always comes with half-boiled eggs. So, chan chan! Okay, just to show you guys, this is where the exhibition is being held. Barry's chocolate story. It's Kadai chocolate means it's a chocolate store, and it's actually on the inside. So we have to go in. Have to scan the My Sejahterra first. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. All the fancy chocolate. So nice. Oh, it's over there. I forgot that was the exit, right? Okay. So we are going up. Sorry. It looks so fancy. Hi, long time no see.
How are you?
Good.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I have to scan and.
I will write down because my phone actually isn't working or not. My phone's having some issues.
Got space or not? Oh, stickerific. Ah.
Subscribe to Wild Animal Ali.
I just put my normal. Okay, let's go see. So many nice, so many beautiful artwork. Oh, this one's really nice. I really like the lighting and color.
Yeah, I like how it's so like minimalist, like not minimalistic but very like
Yeah,
abstract-y.
yeah, very stylistic. This one is really nice too. I really like the colors and the lighting.
Japan.
Is this Japan?
Oh, I cannot read.
Oh, this is nice. This is like very Christmassy. All these are by Lan Sheng. They are quite big pieces too. I think they're like A2. A4? No, it's definitely not A4. This is by Jasmine Chung. I like this one.
Sorry, it's A3 here.
Oh, A3.
Wait, look at A3.
Yeah, double of A3, yeah. This is by Sui Hong. Okay, let's go check out more artworks on the other room. That's a very interesting place. Oh, this is by Brian Tai. I see him on Instagram doing lots of plein air painting. Yeah, this is Brian's one. I really love that very stylistic. It's not, it's not like super detailed, but the way he does it, like a very loose style, but when you look from afar, it's like really, like lots of detail when you look from afar. But then when you go in, it's actually not that detailed. So it's really interesting. Very loose style. This is also by Brian. Whoa. Oh, this is by Shireen Locke. Oh, this is a very nice kampung landscape. This is by Brian. This one is by Shireen.
Which part is your watercolor?
I guess the part where it's colored, the rest are all like, they look like graphite.
Does not the color look like, doesn't it look like watercolor still?
No, it's true.
No, it is really watercolor.
It's also by Brian Tai. This is almost a solo. This room is mostly of Brian Tai. Oh yeah, Ching Big Hit. Next room. Ooh, this is by Lee Ming-Sen. Miss Becky. Really lovely work. This is by Serene Chong. Ooh, this is interesting. Almost like Japanese-esque. Yeah. This one looks like something you can find on a porcelain pot.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so we don't have any more on the other side.
This is a very beautiful site.
This is by Serene Chong as well. Oh. Okay. This is also by Lilicia. Oh, these are nice. I really like this one. Do support these local artists. They have so much passion in what they do, and it's always super inspiring to see them thrive to achieve what they love. And I hope to be a part of it one day, that I could also achieve what I really love. So it's always inspiring, just makes me want to support them even more, and I hope that you do too. We are done. I'm really tired. I'm really like socially tired. And we are going, we said our thanks and hi to the artists, and now we are going back. Yay! So good adventure. Good adventure. Thank you everybody for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. That is all for today, but if you do enjoy my video, it would really help if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to your friends who you may think might find it helpful or, entertaining. I share videos, tutorials, and photo references for free for artists to use. So if you'd like to support me and help make all this sustainable, you can do so by pledging over at Patreon. All the links are down below in the video description. You can also join my Discord server where I'm trying to create a wholesome community there. And you can also get notified where I'll be going live on Twitch. And you can always ask me questions when I do painting in real time over there. So I do hope that I get to help you in your own art journey. And again, the links are down below in the video description. That is all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!